So we got this virtual drummer here, Hut by UJAM, for only $9 until November 7th. Check it out. There'll be links down in the video description below. If you're watching after that time, check out my playlist. I have updated the videos of music news, free plugins, and deals all the time. There'll be a whole playlist. They're also having deals on Vogue piano, get for $9. Stranger synth you can get for $5, and a bunch of other deals there. So check it out. If you buy them at Plugin Boutique, I have links below. You get a free plugin. They're changing it up every week. Usually they do one free every month, but in the month of November, they're going to change it up every week. So check out what the latest free one is with that. So for $9, get Hut here, and then a free plugin, whatever. Check it out. Let's just check out this thing here. So we got the drum kit laid out on the keyboard over here. We got patterns laid out on from C3 and above. These are drag and drop MIDI as well. We have fills, we have endings, we have breakdowns. We have 5 drum kits. We have different mixing presets. All the drums down here. We got the juice knob, turn up the juice. We got the effects knob, turn up the effects and mixing presets. All kind of preset drum kits as well, patterns. So we can make all kind of adjustments. We got rhythms down here, different presets. These will load all the different patterns down here on the keyboard. We have micro timing for half speed and all that fun stuff. And we can change the kick drum, snare drum, and different hi-hats and stuff down here. Let's play a beat. So it's a no-brainer deal for $9. Might as well check it out if it's something that you seem like you'd be interested in. Indeed. Check out my other videos floating around here. Check out the other deals. Check out the latest music production news playlist that I got in the description or on the screen or wherever you find it in my video. That is all for now. I'll talk to you soon.